Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products for all your needs. Today, we've got something special for all you hunting enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Team Realtree Men's All-Season Over-the-Calf Tall Boot Socks. These socks are the best hunting boot socks available in the market, and we're about to dive deep into why. These boot socks are not your ordinary pair. They're designed to meet the demands of the great outdoors, and here's why you should consider adding them to your hunting gear. First things first, let's talk about the construction. These socks are made in the USA with a blend of high-quality materials. They consist of 30% acrylic, 30% ultra-spun polyester, 20% wool, 17% nylon, and 3% spandex. This combination offers durability, comfort, and flexibility, essential for any outdoor activity. The spandex ensures they stay in place without slipping down during your hunting adventures. Plus, they're over-the-calf tall boot socks, providing extra protection and insulation for your legs. Now, let's talk about the features that make these socks stand out. Firstly, they come with a full cushion leg and foot. That means extra padding and comfort, which is crucial when you're on your feet for hours. Whether you're stalking your prey or hiking to your hunting spot, your feet will thank you. Secondly, they offer arch support. This feature reduces foot fatigue, which is essential for those long treks through rugged terrain. Your feet will stay comfortable, even during the most challenging hunts. But perhaps the most important feature is the merino wool blend. It's fantastic for moisture control and warmth. Merino wool naturally wicks away moisture, so your feet stay dry and warm even in wet conditions. Now, let's talk packaging and options. These socks come in a convenient 2-pair pack, giving you options for your outdoor wear. One pair is black, and the other is green, perfect for blending in with the environment during your hunting trips. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what others have to say about these boot socks. As you can see from these reviews, customers are loving these socks. They appreciate the comfort, warmth, and durability these socks provide. So, to wrap it up, the Team Realtree Men's All-Season Over-the-Calf Tall Boot Socks are a must-have for any serious hunter. With their high-quality materials, cushioning, arch support, and moisture control, they are the best hunting boot socks you can find. Whether you're hunting, hiking, or spending time outdoors, these socks will keep your feet comfortable and dry. And the fact that they're proudly made in the USA only adds to their appeal. Alright, that's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in getting your hands on these fantastic boot socks, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment to let us know your thoughts. Thanks for joining us, and happy hunting out there.